These are my ingredients. We have minced garlic, diced red onions, canned sardine, vermicelli, patola or spiked melon, and minced pork. This is the vermicelli. Need to soak in hot water. Makes easy to cook for about 1 minute and drain the water. And we have minced pork. Need also to marinate with white pepper powder for taste, about 1 minute also. Next to do, need to peel the melon just like this. To peel it, this kind of vegetable, and must choose the young one when you buy, not the old kind or one. After peeled the melon, cut just like this circle. We are going to start cooking now. After heat up the oil, saute the garlic onions until the fragrance comes out. Then add the minced pork. Stir. Color will change. Then add canned sardines in water. After half minute, once boiling, can add now the melon and stir it. Cover back. Cook for a few seconds. Then strain the vermicelli water and rinse it. If the melon seems cooked already, it's time to add the vermicelli. Add teaspoon salt and black pepper powder to taste. Cooking is done. Looks great. The food for today. Yum! Let's scoop some and give a try or to taste the recipe we cook. There's melon, sardine. Looks great and delicious. Wow, sarap. Yum. Nice. Nice guys. No need to eat with rice, but can also eat with rice if you want. Because this the vermicelli and it's already a carbo. Yum. Simple food but really nice guys and easy to make, very fast if you have everything, complete ingredients, and you can make also a twist. whatever you decide to make a twist, guys. Please give thumbs up and please write comment down below, and please subscribe, and hope you enjoy this video recipe again, guys. Okay, and see you next time. And this is Angie. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.